Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is our lecture number. I will check first of all what is the lecture number. This is lecture number 17 of our free course DIALux Evo. In this lecture, we will create this uh, house. In the previous lecture, we have created this house, but we have not placed these strips. In this lecture, I will show you how you can add these strips on the corners. This gives a very beautiful look to the house. And second thing is that we can also see how you can put furniture inside the rooms. Okay, first of all, I will remove these strips and then I will show you how you can put these strips. Now you can see I have removed the strips from the house, and you can see no rooms do not have any furniture. Rooms are open, they are blank, they do not have any sort of furniture, they are empty. We can also put the uh, furniture inside the rooms also, and also we can make the strip what I have shown early. After that, we can move to the kitchen area, and in the kitchen area we will install the different kitchen furniture, kitchen items, and then I will move to bathroom, washroom, and where I can put different accessories of the washroom. So first of all, we can put the strips here. I will show one strip or two strips to install on two corners, and then accordingly you can do for the remaining things. Similarly, I can show putting the furniture in one room. For remaining rooms you can do exactly the same way. First of all, we will come to here. This is our house. Okay, and we can do one thing. We can select the building, and in here we can select the story one, and here we can make a extrusion body easily. We can make on here, we can select like this and like this and close polygon. Now we have made the one extrusion body. After that we can go to the 3D, and this is the our extrusion body. We can now adjust this height, length, breadth, all these things we can adjust it. Let I think length is, we can keep it square 1.5, here 1.5, it is okay, but I think the thickness should be little bit low, 0.1. Oh, and width should be 1, and this 1. Now we can do one thing. Okay, it seems, then we can change after that also the, now we can make the height is around 3 meters, 6 meters. Okay, you can see now. Okay, now we can see the full building side and building. Now we can increase again the height to 7 meter. 7 meter is high, so we can change it to 6.5. Okay, 6.6. Okay, now you can see one strip has been made. Now we have to change its color. We can select this surface and select any color and come and place it here. Now you can see the site photo, and you have seen that now the strip has been added. Similarly, you can add on other areas, other corners, this what is called this strip. After that, now we will place one bed inside the bedroom, and for that we will select the building and then go to the story, and here we will select like this. This is the ground floor, story 1, and we have to place the furniture, suppose a bed here. For that we can go to here, that is furniture and objectives, and select. In the select, go to more objectives, and in the more objectives go to home furniture. You can click also in this arrow and then go to the beds and select the bed you want. Suppose I want this bed, I have selected this bed, and then apply and close. Now place it here. Now adjust it. You can see, you can move it. Also you can rotate it. Right click, rotate. You can rotate like this, and then right click, move, and you can move and place like this. Now see in the 3D. We will see in the 3D. Here is the 3D view. You can see from glass, you can see from here. Okay, now you can also change the color of this bed as per you, as we have changed the strip color. Similarly, you can change the color of the bed here. You can place one more objectives, like suppose you want a side table. Go to select here and go to more objectives, go to home furniture like this, and tables. You will see it, there is a table suitable for, what is this, this is sofa. Let's place this sofa inside the room. Oh no, we'll give chairs. This is beds. I will say side table. I will search. Maybe there is not in this. You can go office furniture. Select the office furniture tables. In the tables, what is this side table? These are the tables. Personal office purpose. No, chairs, auxiliary, work equipment. You can find these working branches. Not here. You can find whatever the additional items you can. So there is no stair planning, outdoor planning, home design. Okay, you can do one more thing. If you do not find here, you can go one more thing. Go to select, you can go cylinder, vertical cylinder, and then you can select it and place it here. You can change his like this. You can change the size scale. You can change it. You can change it. 1 minute. You can move it like this. It is, keep it 0.6, 0.6, and now see in 3D. Do you want any more adjustments? Yes, and kept it 0.5. Okay, it is, and then you can decrease it 0.4. Okay, this is the side table, side square. And similarly, you can keep any whatever you want. You have to find these things in your library and place directly. Now go to the site again, building, and story 2, building site. Now you can see the script has been come here, and we have placed the table here. This is the bed here. Okay, now you can try himself to place springs here, and add more room objects. In the next video, we will decorate the kitchen and bathroom. Then after we will go for the lighting.